because I'm moving and I have no filming spot, and B, because today I am filming a recreating Mamma Mia Makeup's Instagram. Can I get a Mamma Mia makeup up in here? Can I get a Mamma Mia makeup? Good entrance, A+ entrance. Whee! I have gotten the Mamma Mia makeup here. So I chose 5 of Mia's hottest, bestest, greatest Instagrams and attempted to recreate them. And to be honest, I think I did a pretty good job.
I got a little sneak peek of one
by accident.
and it looked good, so like I'm excited to see the rest.
So I've got Mia here to judge my results on how well I did recreating them. We also filmed a video on Mia's channel of Mia recreating laurDIY Instagram, so make sure to go watch that when you're done with this video. And also, guys, the laurDIY merch is officially dropping in 3 days, Wednesday when the vlog goes live, 3 p.m. PST, 6 p.m. EST, so get excited for that. Unfortunately, this is not dropping until February, but there's lots of fun stuff dropping on Wednesday.
Can I get some of that?
You get some of that. So I'm gonna send Mia a version of and then pull up my photo so she can see both to compare. Okay, I don't even know which one I want to start with. Okay, I'm gonna start with my weakest one. Where your airdrop dough. All right.
Well, you had it easy. You just came in my house when I was gone.
I know, but Mia saw me on her freaking cameras. I'm so sad. I had access to your boyfriend, your dog, your house. I had access to your closet. Low-key wanted to steal all of it, but didn't. Just so we keep that straight. 3, 2, 1. Scrunchy top like that though, and I didn't have time to Photoshop it. I should have Photoshopped it.
It's on sale at Urban Outfitters currently.
I couldn't find it.
You do it way better than me.
No, I don't. You know how
you look so good.
Your mouth makes like really flattering mouth shapes on your face, but those mouth shapes are not flattering on my face.
I think they look great.
No, they don't look good on my face.
Wait, we look like oddly similar.
Yeah, I know. When you zoom in like that, that looks oddly.
It looks so similar.
Also, I did your makeup that day with the white in the corners and the black in the outside, and I did makeup for reals.
That looks so good though. You could have photoshopped.
I know. I got lazy. I should have photoshopped it. I know. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. This is the next.
How is that the weakest one?
Well, some of it was hard because the lighting wasn't the same. I shot at a different time of the day. Where's your airdrop?
Okay. Ready? Oh! Okay. You did this one?
Body's not a dream.
This one was also hard because your face on this one is like kind of sultry and my face just looks stupid.
Our sexy faces don't work.
Your face was sexy and I'm like, okay.
Wait, I can't believe you did this one. 2, 1.
I keep asking why? That's still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should feel a feeling whole lot better. I keep asking why? I have really tried.
Whoa! It's like not bad, but like my face don't look like your face.
I keep asking why.
Wait, this is such a weird, this is such
Isn't it weird?
Yeah.
It's so weird. Also, I realized that I bought the wrong shirt. I didn't realize there was 2 color versions of it.
Oh, I didn't even know.
I know, mine's got a freaking burgundy stripe, and I forgot the receipt, and it was really expensive. I wanted to return it, and now I can't.
It looks so good.
My face looks stupid. I look like I'm about to throw up.
I think you look great.
Do I look a little nervous?
I think you look so good.
No, it's not a good photo of me. Not going on the IG.
That was good.
That's good.
That's good.
Yo, that's not even the best one. Picture number 3.
See to focus.
I felt like I knew you recreated this because you left so much evidence, by the way.
Oh,
you left
no.
your curling iron here.
Yeah, I did.
This blanket was in that basket. I knew how I left my room.
Kyle cleaned your room for me, I'm not even gonna lie. But the issue with this photo is that you changed out your nightstand, and so the old one's sitting right there.
Yeah, but you could have moved it.
I know, we were all too lazy.
I can't wait to see Ken.
Okay. Also, working with dog model, very difficult.
Oh, it is.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Why does Ken look 8 years older than yours?
You're right.
This
He
is
does look older.
so good.
Honestly though, recreating
Oh
your
my
buns,
God.
you just have like 70% more hair than I do, so I just like don't have enough hair to make a bun look that good.
I like how you recreated my terrible bun hairline.
I tried really hard, but yours just looks so much better.
It's so
Yo, low-key wanna
good.
post this. I know I'm like cheating on Moose with this photo, but it's a good photo. What's left?
Oh my god, I can't believe there's more.
This is the one that I accidentally sneak previewed for
I got
you.
a sneak peek.
This one was really hard to edit. Mamma Mia makeup editing is not easy.
Well, I white balance it and then I just do a little bit of C3, a little bit of bright saturation, and then mascara, and then
Mascara? What do you mean mascara?
Pick Monkey.
Oh, I don't know how to use Pick Monkey.
Sing for me. Won't
3,
Okay,
2, 1.
on repeat.
Oh, that's good.
It's through with you by my side, with you by my.
I just want to tell you that my arms don't bend like that.
What?
Are you double jointed?
Yeah.
You are? I knew it. I literally couldn't get my arms to hold the curtains like you could. You were able to bring your elbows in like this, and that's just not how my arm works. So I look like a T-Rex, and you're just like,
Oh my god, no, it looks legit. It looks so good. Everything about it is so good.
Also, I gave you this top, so I felt like I was allowed to borrow it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this was the mouth position that my lips don't
Oh,
do.
even my mouth looks a little weird.
No, it looks good. Like you like voluptuous lips, and I've got little pancake lips, and I just like couldn't do it. It just wasn't happening with my lips. You look like you're doing it right, and I look like I'm trying to be you, which is exactly
like
what's happening.
You recreated the perfect photos, like with my hair length.
True. Okay, last one.
Okay.
Because I'm coming home.
This one.
This one's at your house.
This one's so.
I saw it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Every hidden sign.
I forgot the belt. I'm
You're
really sad
so
about it.
cute.
That's your photo.
Yeah, but you're cuter.
No, I'm not. And I could not find a plaid top anywhere, so I had to go for like a stripy one that had sleeves, but
It looks
it's okay.
It looks cute.
And I forgot the beige belt that I'm really sad about. But
Oh, your
also,
quality is great.
I bought these jeans for the photo, and I actually love them. Like I'm so happy.
Oh,
with
good.
this. Yeah, they're great jeans.
Come on, you couldn't have even got my shoes.
I know. I was like, do I want to get the Adidas? And I was like, nah. I got low top Converse. That'll work.
That's cute.
Yo, Loki can't wait to post this one on IG. I'm like hurting for new photos.
You were supposed to eat a burger before you took this.
Honestly, I literally was like, wow, there's a lot of stomach in this. I should take this photo before lunch. Overall, how did I do? Give me a grade.
Like 12 out of 10. Like you're so good. I was not expecting it to be that good. Yes. You did them so much better than me.
No, that's not true. So don't forget that Mia attempted to recreate my Instagram, so make sure to go watch that video. And you know what, I won't spoil your video, but I'm gonna take home a nice little W today.
Yeah, I think you won.
Oh wait, it's not a competition. Is it a competition?
I mean,
fun.
W means win, right?
I thought I just meant like, woo, you did a good job, win.
Well, I mean, the opposite of W is L, which means I took the L.
We can't both take a W?
I guess so.
Okay.
We got fun.
Wow! Anyways, go watch Mia's video as well. Make sure to subscribe while you're there. And don't forget that merch is launching in exactly 3 days. I am so freaking excited. Make sure you're ready at 3 p.m. because stuff might go quick again. I know, I'm nervous / really excited. And if you haven't seen last Wednesday's weekly vlog, make sure to check that out in the down bar below, along with Mia's video and all of our socials. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for a weekly vlog, and again on Sunday for another Sunday. Bye guys!
Oh my god, I was waiting for that moment.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY queen. Yeah, you know